Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're getting an Explorer.EXE error on your Windows 10 computer and your screen looks like this. So I'm going to show you a quick workaround on how to hopefully resolve this issue without too much of a hassle. So basically at this point you should have a cursor on your screen and you may or may not have a background. That is fine. So what you want to do now is just hold down the Control, Alt, and the Delete key at the same time on your keyboard. So again, Control, Alt, and Delete. You should come to a screen that looks like this no matter what version of Windows you're running. And you want to left click on the Task Manager icon. Once you have a screen that looks like this, or if it looks like this, you want to left click and expand more details. You want to left click on the Details tab up at the top. And now on the left side here, if you see anything that says Explorer.EXE, you want to right click on it and then left click on End Task. Again, since we do not have Explorer.EXE in here, and you can see that because it's ascending order alphabetically, we're going to just move ahead with the next step of the video, and that would be to left click on the File tab up at the top, left click on Run New Task. Now you want to type in Explorer exactly how it appears on my screen, EXPLORER. And you want to maybe check this box that says create this task with administrative privileges. I would recommend you check that if you have the ability to do so. Then click on OK. And there we go, guys. Our desktop has restored and your taskbar should be soon with it. So I would also recommend restarting your computer. Just make sure it saved the change. And that's pretty much it. So I do hope this brief video was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.